bruh. Today we are playing Jailbreak. And let's start off as a police. So, okay. Need to learn how to shoot. Well, she didn't know. Shift? How do you shift? Daddy, I didn't know how to shift. I didn't know how to shift. You know what I like about this, Daddy? It's so easy to punch.
Oh, you just play for a second.
Wait, I want to switch my person. So, please do not delay. I do not want to delay. So, we back in business. I don't know what I like about this, Daddy? Watch. That you can do. Daddy, watch. That you can do 360. I'm hard at 360s. So I don't want to. Sorry, I am hard at controlling this. So, I don't know. Can you tell me shift? Oh, it's right there. Shift is one. Daddy, I know how to play. How do you turn it? How do you turn the view? Oh, I found out. Oh no, brown cow. Oh. Well, I guess it'd be easier using the controller, right, Daddy?
Maybe pretend I'm not here. You gotta talk.
Oh. Okay, now. Oh, over there. Hey, don't you? Oh, run! What's no? It's not good. We should have Robux. Robuxio. Bro. Now we have to escape our butts out of here. Oh no, don't tell me. Is there police anywhere nearby? Okay, yes, there isn't, which is great. I do not like those rankings. Look at this. Yeah, let's do it like that. I have to do it close. No, see, I don't. Just spam it. Banana, yeah. Daddy, I think there was. Never mind. Is it this gate? Yes, it is. I have to press E. C. No, no, no! Please do not close me. Great. Oh no. Well, I need to learn these controllers, bro. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna get a card. What do you need? I'm just gonna go in. What do you mean? No, I didn't. Well, I'm not even a cop. Prize in here. Get back now. Oh no. Okay, I think that was mine right down. Throw that there? Really? 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 I think that was down there. I am a lot of don't know. I'm not controlling this thing too. Get down, get down, get down. Let's hop out of there. Okay, now I'm gonna just sprint my way out of here. Yes, perfect. I'm gonna take it. Oh, I thought there was a person in it. Oh, that's just great. This is bad. What? I need a car. Really? Really? I need a key card first. I need a car too. I just need a car. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a car right over here. There should be it. Yep. Oh no, I have to beat him. I have to beat him to the car. It's probably him because he doesn't even know. Oh, now he does. Now he does. Hop in, hop in, hop in, hop in, hop in, hop in. Oh, that's passenger. Oh, run, no. Trevor. Really? Master Prez. I'm just gonna. No, I'm not. Look what a good job. I'm down my way around this city. What is up there? Daddy, I don't know. I forgot how to look up. Yes. That's how you move. I don't need to look up. I don't need to look up.
Will you turn it off so you can watch it?
So, guys, I do not know where a car is. I just really wish this. Yay! Never mind about it. Oops. Oh yeah. I need to get to the. Where's my bed switch? Daddy, I know. Yay! Ow. Ow. I'm so bad, I'm so bad. I don't want to watch it. I want my fans to watch it now. What? What? I know. Exactly. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, this is bad. Actually, do not want to drive. Daddy, I know how to drift. All I have to do is shift. Press shift. And then you'll sprint. Is this a good step? My accident. I'm a speedster. Whoop. How easy. I think this is a good stop. No, let's just dance. No, Daddy. So now let's see this. No, wait for me, really. Yep, of course, I'm just gonna move in here. Look at it, it's good. What's that noise? I know you fans probably can't hear it. Whoa. That was good. So, all we have to do is just get out of here. I don't know how. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't like rain.